How to sign up on Canva, and begin the free trial. Click on Start the 30-day free trial. Create your account. It cost you $0. Now, add in your card information, or you can pay with PayPal. This is Canva user dashboard. Here, you can see that Canva has so many categories of graphics and designs that you can choose. Let's try the blog banner subcategory. Now export. You can resize the template size if you like. After the 30-day free trial, click on Pricing. You can pick a plan, maybe monthly, or yearly. For this tutorial, I recommend you pick monthly for first-time users. That's all. To get started, click the link in the video description. To subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the link in the video description.